This is the Ghost Garland craft. To start out, you will take one piece of your yarn and you'll cut 2 3-inch pieces out of it and set them aside. Then you'll take a book and you'll take one end of one of the string of yarns of the big pieces and wrap it around the end of the book. You'll keep wrapping the yarn until you have used the entire piece. Once you have finished with that, you will take one of the pieces of the string that you cut and you'll slide it in through all of the yarn and pull it up to the top of the spine of the book, and then you'll just tie a knot at the top and cut off the excess of that. Then you'll take your scissors and you'll trim the yarn at the pages of the book. Slide off your ghost and then you kind of fix the shape of it and get it how you want, and take your other piece that you had cut off and tie a knot towards the top of the ghost to make the head. And you can cut off that excess as well and kind of fluff up your ghost and get it to the shape you want. You'll do that with all of the colors of yarn, and then when you're done you'll have 9 ghosts. Then you'll take your stickers and add the eyes and the mouth to each of the ghosts. Then you'll take your string and tie a knot at the end, on one of the ends, and then you will take the other end and thread it in the needle that is in your kit. And then you'll take 3 of the wood beads and string them onto the knot, then your ghost, and then 3 more beads, and then the next ghost. And you'll keep repeating that. You can do it in any order that you'd like. What I did was darkest to lightest, and then just repeated the pattern. You'll just keep stringing them on until you've used all your beads and all of your ghosts. Then once you've added all of those, you'll just take off the needle, tie a knot in the string, and you can hang up your garland.